Young, no good. Big rebound by Morales. Morales to Moko. Moko, pass to Talan. Talan attacking the middle. Binale shot, nice. Quick shot by Talan. Sansibuche. Harapera, nice steal. That's foul. Fallen jersey number 2, pushing foul. Number 2, it's your 4th personal foul. Number 2, warning for graduation.
Handa, spaghetti.
Talan to Aquino. Aquino, back to Talan. Pass to Umoko. Aquino. Pass out of bounds. Ball goes to Santa Clara. Guevara number 3, inbound the ball. Pass to Mundin, number 1. Mundin setting the play. Back to Guevara number 3. Guevara takes 3. No good. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino number 6. May foul na nakita ng ating referee. Pushing foul. Fallen jersey number 1. Pushing foul. Number 1, first personal foul. Substitution ref. Talan. Pass to Umoko. Pass to Talan. Tumira ng press. No good. Defensive rebound by Riazo number 8. Riazo to Umoko. Blazing in. May foul na nakita. Foul on jersey number 3, hacking foul. 2 shots for Umoko.
Parang may sakit na HP.
Number 3, second personal foul. First try is good.
Yan yung 5.
Ano ADHD?
Oo. Ikaw nga
Second throw.
Pag di mo alam, may check mo.
No good.
Alam mo, ano yan?
Rebound by Lahara. Lahara number 6, dire-diretso. Lahara layup. May nakitang foul ng ating referee. It's a blocking foul on jersey number 8. 2 shots for Lahara. Lahara first try. Short. Second try.
Lalo kang pagkang
No good. Zero out of 2 for Lahara. Big rebound by Salan dribbling the ball. Salan blazing in. Pass to Riazo. Yes. Nice assist by Salan to Riazo. Riazo 2 points. Mundin to Lahara. Back to Mundin. Takes. Pass to Lahara. But still by Salan. Ginabol Lahara, may foul na nakuha. Foul on jersey number 6 sa hacking foul. 2 shots for number 1, Salan.
Wala.
First try is no good.
Gano'n mo ng pag-check mo, wala.
Second try. Yes, nothing but net. Timeout, Santa Clara. Score is 48-28. 20 big points lead by San Joaquin. Remaining time for the third quarter is 7 minutes and 12 seconds. the ball game.
Yun na.
Lara to Diaz. Diaz number 4 dribbling the ball. Glazing in. Layup. No good. What a big rebound by Morales number 9. Pass to Talan. Talan setting the play. Talan. Take pass to Morales. Masaho. Masaho. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound. Goes to Masaho number 11. Masaho. Layup. No good. Rebound by Lahara. Lahara to Guevara. Guevara. Still by Talan. Talan. Layup. Yes. Nice shot by Talan. Mundin. Pass to Diaz. Diaz back to Mundin. Pass to Lahara. Lahara. Tumira. No good. Offensive rebound by Diaz. Diaz to Lahara. May nakitang foul ang ating referee. Foul on jersey number 13. Pushing foul.
Ngiti lang, ngiti. Tama.
Baseline inbound. Lahara. Lahara, pass to Mundin. Mundin attacking the middle. Nice defense by Riazo. Back to number 13. Masaho layup, yes. Nice play by San Martin. Mundin. Pass to Diaz. Diaz tumira ng 3. Offensive rebound Bukid. Bukid. Nice jumper by Bukid.
Nakasunod naman. Hindi na ako may nadunan niya.
Malabuyok to Masaho. Masaho to Talan. Talan. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Diaz. Diaz. Steal by Morales. Morales diretso layup. No good. Rebound by Mundin number 1. Mundin to Lahara. Lahara. May nakuwang foul. Foul on jersey number 8. Laking foul. Substitution ref. Riazo number 8 out. Masaho number 10 in. Bukid. Pastor still by Masaho. Masaho. Nice foul. It's a duty foul for number 1. Holding foul.